morning, welcome to another home vlog. This home vlog I think is going to be over 2 days because I have some parcel coming tomorrow that I would like to share with you, and I'm really excited for it and I can't wait to get it. But it's, as you can probably see, the light is gorgeous. It's a beautiful sunny day finally, and a warm day with no wind, or almost no wind. So you know how rare those days are in the UK. So it really makes me appreciate them even more. And I think that was my washing machine, so I have some laundry to hang as well. So as it's a beautiful sunny warm day, we are going to first of all go to the garden. And I think I should update you on our garden a little bit because there's been some changes. Because Barney decided to have another border, because why not? Our garden, as you know, is really small, so we soon might not have any grass at all because it's all going to be borders and beds and things, so we'll see. Yeah, so first thing I want to tackle is the garden. I need to sweep the patio because it's a mess at the minute, but because it was too windy I wasn't able to actually go in there to give it a nice good clean, really. So we're going to do that today, and maybe today or tomorrow, we'll see how it goes. I think I'm going to reorganize my wardrobe, so get my typical summer clothes out from storage and put in my wardrobe. I was meaning to do it earlier, but I didn't, and I think I'm glad I didn't because it was back to cold again and we had the full winter. So that's the plan for sure to do as well in this vlog. And then I'm going to show you some new in my wardrobe because I've got 2 new dresses. So one is coming tomorrow, I've already got one and I'm in love with this dress. So, and then the other one is typical summer dress, so it would be perfect for all the holidays coming. What else? I think that's it at the minute that I'm planning to show you in this vlog. So I think it's time to go to the garden. And someone wants to go out too, but unfortunately, Lucy, you are not going anywhere. Yeah, getting out of the garden is always a challenge with this one. Gotta be quick. Okay, we are. What happened here? I know it's been windy, but that's been knocked down. Not sure if you can see. Oh, I've got some cleaning to do as well. Yeah, there's the solar panel. It used to be here, so that is something I definitely need to put back. Let me just change the brightness. Okay, well, let's open the greenhouse first and foremost. It's been roughly cleaned the other weekend. So you're going to ask what we're growing this year. So that's runner beans that they're going to probably go outside there to that border. That's some marigolds for Barney's roses. We've got some chives, don't know what for, but we do. And we got some tomatoes over there as well. So yeah, and I see marigolds are flowering, so maybe this weekend Barney will be able to put them in the border as well. Barney was trying to get some cuttings from hydrangea because we are obsessed with hydrangea somehow, so yeah. And I see there's some mess for me to tackle as well. That is a new rose in our garden. It's David Austin rose. Yeah, that's Barney's new baby. We have some rosemary, I think that's rosemary. And this is the new border. So at the minute it's not looking the best, but it's a work in progress because we put down a lot of bulbs for dahlias. So hopefully in the summer this is going to be a beautiful flower bed. We have some alliums planted as well. Some catmint, but yeah, I hope this is going to be a beautiful flower bed like the one we actually kind of created here. Now it's obviously too late and all the flowers are dead. But we have hydrangea here. This is a climbing one, and I hope it's going to bloom. I really hope it's going to bloom this season. Then we have another rose. This one is Claire Austin, so it's the one that I've picked. So it's another climbing one. No, this is a climbing one. The other one is a bush rose, I think. I'm not a gardener here, as you can tell. So that's another rose. That's our raspberry bush. Here something has happened. I don't know what, because it's dead. This is our lilac, a beautiful white one. The purple one already bloomed, but I see our one is actually right in time for May. And there's the other rose. This rose is, I don't know. Yeah, so that's the update. And something has been eating them, and we have a first bloom on it. Wow, so this is going to be flowering soon. Whoa, that's exciting. And yeah, the rest of the garden remains unchanged pretty much. Yeah, this is not looking the best at the minute, but yeah, we've got some tidying up to do, because I don't like the state of it. So I think I'm going to get myself some earphones and tackle this mess.
I don't know what it means, but there's a smile upon your face, and I see something shimmering in your eyes.
Lucy is indeed a real escapee artist, but it's okay. She doesn't go anywhere. It's nice and clean. There's no point of getting the cushions out because I won't be surprised if it's going to rain anytime soon. But the patio is swept. Greenhouse is a bit tidier now. I would like to get some buckets or some containers for the soil that we could keep there, but you know, would be more aesthetically pleasing, because at the moment this is not the vibe. But we'll get there. Yeah, I do like the rug on this patio. And here's Nabu, so I gotta grab Lucy and come back inside, because this one is not going to even the garden because we have trust issues. And I know that if Nabu goes to the garden, after 5 minutes here she'll be bored and she'll be out in the wild, and this is not a safe place for her. So let me just grab this munchkin. Lucy, we're going inside now. You had your grass, come on. It's funny that she doesn't even go for the catmint, she just goes to the grass. Okay? Lucy? Yeah, this is the tricky part of trying to get her.
I know you've heard it all before, but you are the love of my life. I knew when you came through the door that you are the love of my life.
Here you can see my typically summer dresses. It's not much of it, but in all honesty, we don't have much summer in the UK either. And these are roughly new dresses. So this is the dress I bought last year. Yeah, I bought it in Poland. So I do like it, love its pattern. So yeah, obviously it's not doing justice now. This dress is quite old and not sure if I'm going to keep it, to be fair. I would actually need to try it on, but we'll see. Oh, I see I have a skirt here as well. So recently I gravitate way more towards timeless classical styles. This is another dress. This is a shirt dress. I do like it. It's giving more the country vibe, I would say. I've got a belt for it as well, but it looks nice with a brown belt as well. So yeah, that's my another dress. I quite like it. Like I'm saying, with like brown tan accessories, it looks great. This is another dress. I'll just show you later them all on the hanger so you can see them better. As you can see, the pattern going on here, I like a maxi or midi dress these days. This is a dress from Amazon. It's not the best. To be fair, it's made out of polyester when actually was saying it would be cotton, but I just couldn't be bothered to just return. I just couldn't be bothered, so I just kept it. But like for pottering around the garden and like just quick throw on, it's alright. And then I have my two similar dresses. This one is a maxi dress from Zara. Like I'm saying, I'm not doing any justice to those dresses. I love it. And then I have very similar dress, just in the shorter version of it, with a long sleeve. No, it's like 3/4. Another shirt dress, but like I'm saying, it's a mini dress, or like, yeah, I would say mini. And then I've got my white shorts that I see they have some discolorization, I think. You can pick it up on the camera, maybe they just need a wash. So yeah, and I have my pink skirt here as well. And the new in for my wardrobe for this season, let me show you, are those two dresses from H&M. I already tried them on and I love them. I will put them on in a sec for you. This is a beautiful linen blend dress, so I'm just in love with it. I already love it. I can't wait for the weather to improve in that so I could put it on and it doesn't look ridiculous. And this one I think is going to be perfect dress for actually spring, summer in the UK, because you can see it's like a knitted fabric. Again, cotton made. It's going to be perfect for summer. It's very like, you know, old money, classy style. I'll style it up with you in a second, and I just love it. This dress is an old one, last season, but it's from Amazon as well. It's alright. Again, just to wear around the house, it will do, really. In nice dark green color. On the camera it's a bit brighter than it actually is, but because it's quite long, that's the issue with this wardrobe actually. Because the rail is quite low to the floor, I don't have room for my maxi dresses. But that's okay, we can work with it. I start just to hang them a bit differently or fold them a little bit, and that works. So, next thing we're going to do, we're going to reorganize this wardrobe a little bit.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder.
So this is my idea for this dress. Like I said, it's very old money style, I would say. It's giving off definitely old money vibe. So I think with a trench coat, because it's a bit of a thicker dress, I wouldn't say it's like summer 30 degrees kind of dress. No, you're going to sweat in it because it's cotton. So I think I would say British summer. So I'll wear 20 degrees, cold morning, this kind of vibe for this dress. So I think it would be perfect for work. If you don't have any strict dress code, I would say it would be perfect with, you know, a work bag, a trench coat, like I said, cold morning, some flats, maybe some high heels if you feel like it. But I think with this length of a dress, I would rather go with flats. But yeah, a work bag. If you just go out with, I don't know, friends or a date night, there's a smaller bag. If you want a pop of color, you can go for a red one that you can see on my shelf there as well. With some sling bags, it will look great as well. Actually, you can check out my reel on my Instagram with my 3 ideas for this dress. So yeah, I think I love it. I can't wait to get a lot of wear out of it. Like I said, perfect dress for British summer. When, you know, we don't have many days of a heat wave, so we don't need many like linen and silk dresses, to be fair. But for normal British summer, spring, early autumn, this is going to be a perfect dress. And that's the ideal dress, an outfit for a heat wave, maybe a beach day, wicker basket, sandals, and a light linen blend dress, and a sun hat. Yeah, this is giving me cool and on a holiday vibe. That's what I felt when we were on the cruise and I was wearing this hat, like, yeah, cool and on a holiday. And for the evening, when the temperature is dropping, you can easily transition this dress into an evening outfit. So we just take off the hat, because after 6 o'clock we're not wearing hats. We can just pop on maybe white or a navy blazer. We can just drape it over the shoulders, maybe grab different handbag, maybe something a bit more formal, rather than a wicker basket, you know, when we go for dinner. And there we are. We can stay with sliders, we can pop on some maybe heeled sandals, that would go so well with it as well. I don't know about you, but I'm sold with this dress straight away. This blue and tan vibes are so great and giving off the summer vibes, don't they?
When I go to reach out and to roam, there is no perception of a home.
I think it's going to be all in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. We had quite a nice variety of things. We had some fashion, we had some gardening, some organization as well. So if you enjoyed it, please leave it a thumbs up. If you still don't subscribe to my channel, you can do it now so you don't miss any future videos from my travels, maybe some hauls and other home vlogs as well. And I hope to see you very soon in my next video. Bye!